Breathe deeply, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, breathe deeply. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started and breathe deeply into this topic. The phrase, breathe deeply, has both a literal and a figurative meaning. Literally, it means to take a long, slow breath that fills your lungs with air. This action is often advised in situations where calmness and relaxation are needed. Figuratively, breathe deeply can suggest a need to pause and gain composure before reacting to a situation. It's about taking a moment to clear your mind and approach things calmly. In everyday conversation, you might hear someone say, breathe deeply, in everyday situations, like during a stressful moment, when trying to calm someone down, or during exercises like yoga or meditation. In literature and media, this phrase is also used in books and movies to convey a moment of tension or the need for a character to find inner peace. Example sentences: before you respond to the criticism, breathe deeply and think about what you want to say. During yoga, we focus on learning to breathe deeply and evenly. Deep breathing isn't just a phrase, it's a beneficial practice. It helps in reducing stress, improving focus, and promoting a feeling of calmness. By understanding this phrase, you also learn an important technique for managing your emotions and reactions. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, breathe deeply. Remember, it's not just about the words but also about the practice and its benefits in your daily life. Keep practicing your English and breathe deeply in every challenge you face. See you in the next video.